Yeah, so build your way to the moon. It was not just a kind of a clickbait thumbnail. These two projects definitely have some huge potential. So stick around, guys. I'm Lisa. This is NFT Rex. Let's go. I'd like to open with this tweet. We're not promising the next metaverse big AAA game or a huge roadmap filled with fluff. We don't like coming soon model. We are just promising a fully functional novel on-chain project built by real builders. Okay, guys, when I read this, I was just stunned. I mean, are these guys for real? And indeed, they have proven to be for real. So it is Mirakai, and they have almost 10k followers thus far. They are built by Builder Labs. I will talk about Builder Labs a bit more later on. So what is Mirakai? It is a game, and yes, it is pixelated and you're just kind of building stuff. It looks quite relaxing. There are probably gonna be some fights. Over here I've seen some weapons. Okay, this is not an NFT, but personal art, and they like weapons. Sure, me too. And there is something really special about the project. And they say they are not gonna just have collaborations with everyone all the time, because they are not really trying to get as many followers as possible just to pump up the numbers. No, they just want real organic followers to just build a really strong, not a really big community per se, just a really strong one with genuine followers and people generally excited about playing the pixelated builder game. And yeah, Builder Labs, not much about it, just shy over 1k followers here, but they do have a website. Let's check it out. Okay, Builder Labs. Once upon a time, a Coinbase engineer realized centralization isn't it, and now enjoys long walks on the beach and kind of solidity programs. Okay, so this guy has a really big history. I mean, he was an engineer in Coinbase. So the grapevine with this guy is really strong. He can just say to his ex-colleagues, okay, guys, I have a project and this is gonna spread like wildfire. So this is what makes me really bullish about the project. Okay, Lunar project, check this out. Okay, so there are 20k followers thus far, and it is founded by the OpenDAO and Zigger. I'm gonna talk about them a bit later on, but let's take a look at the art. Okay, it is looking sick. 3D PFP art, I love it. And there is something so special about it. This way, anyone can enjoy a piece of NFT history without paying an arm and a leg, or just by holding Lunar NFT. So they have kind of really official, serious collaboration with CryptoPunks. And yeah, I mean, you can take a look at this guy, and he has a CryptoPunk all over his whatever he's wearing, maybe a pajamas or something, doesn't matter really. But yes, so the person holding this NFT, potentially the Lunar Project NFT, also will have all the rights as if they were holding CryptoPunks. So yeah, I mean, that is kind of a big deal, and that can pump up the price quite a bit, I think. Okay, so first and backbone of our project is the artist Zigger, and among other companies, Zigger has worked for Nickelodeon, Wired, and Prada. Okay, so he's one of the most recognizable 3D artists in the metaverse, and take a look at his portfolio. Okay, so here he is. There is 16k, almost 17k followers. And what about his Instagram? Really big, 100k followers, this guy. And there is a very good reason for it. I mean, take a look at the art. Impressive. Impressive. Very good job, Zigger. I'm just gonna follow you. The second founder, yes, it is the OpenDAO. Okay, so let's take a look at it for a second. Yes, they do have this token, and the volume traded is for almost 5 billion. But the value of each one of them is not that high. But yes, anyway, they do have so many things in progress, and they're doing really good. So I don't know, I think this project has, to say the least, a really bright future. I'm honestly so bullish about both of these projects. I wanted to say especially about this one, but I cannot pick my favorite here. Okay, so firstly we have the game, pixelated game. They are really popular nowadays, and there is a good reason why. And the second one, I mean, going to the moon, the Lunar project, they are so different, but both of them are so for the community. They are definitely not gonna be rug pulls or cash grabby or anything. There are really dark teams behind them. And yes, definitely do your research, guys. May the odds be in your favor.